So hello guys, I'm back again. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix screen share audio on not working Discord. And as we start, let's go to the settings. So you will gonna scroll down on the sidebar until you see the activity status under the activity settings. And as we currently see this no game detected here, so basically what we want to do is add whatever application we want to stream to our games here. No, it doesn't actually have to be a game. I don't know why it specifies that you can only do games here, but it couldn't actually just be any applications that you have open. So we can choose any applications what we want here. So as we continue, let's go ahead and just say our Brave browser, for example, and we can click the add game. So now, we added our Brave browser applications to our activity status. So if we go ahead and click on escape and we go to the screen button here, we can now see our Brave browser as an option under the screen share options. So let's go ahead and click on it. And when we click go live, we should be able to hear the audio from our Brave browser applications or whatever applications you're streaming. So this is very important. You can't actually share audio if you're sharing entire screen, but Discord does offer the ability to stream the audio from the specific applications that you are streaming. So you just want to make sure that you are selecting the applications in which you want the audio to go through. And I think that ends my video. I hope you learned something from me. That's all for today, and thank you for watching.